Hi, day 15 on how to fix your mental health in 30 days. My name is Michelle Quick, and I'm a mental health coach. And I'm the owner of liveglad.dk and manifestingnow.com. Taking care of yourself and practicing self-care is an important thing. It's the red line through all of these 30 days. But taking especially care of yourself could also be taking a warm shower or a warm bath. Or if you're no, I won't be stereotyped. So even if you're a man or a woman, if you like painting your nails or doing some makeup, it could be also taking care of yourself. It could also be reading about how to take care of yourself. It could be taking a nap. For me, when I do or practice self-care, it's actually when I work out and when I go for a ride for myself. I'm an introvert. You wouldn't know if, I'm sure you wouldn't know it but just by looking at me, but I'm actually an introvert. So taking time out to be alone with myself is self-care for me. What's self-care for you? How do you take care of yourself? Or how do you want to take care of yourself? Because there's a lot of people, including me, who've had many ideas, but sometimes don't get to them. It takes planning, I would say, to actually take time for yourself when you have a busy work day or busy family life. So how would you recommend others to take good care of themselves and practice self-care? Do write it in the comments so that we can have a community of helping each other. So that's the idea for today. Self-care. Take care. Stay safe.